Alright, 323, you're starting Contactor. This task covers the removal of the disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair, assembly, installation, test toolkit SC494097-TLE12, multimeter variable DC voltage supply, dry cleaning, solve it. Warning, high voltage due to the operation of equipment. Do not maybe unless the term low voltage potential is low. 50 volts may cause the task. Remove the ring blade for the bridge flash next chamber before working around the locomotive. Jewelry can catch it from the equipment cover. The injury may short or cover the electrical circuit, cause severe burns, electrical slack. So, set the battery switch to open and tag with the disconnect with the wires of the relay assembly. Remove the 2 bolts, 1 flat washer, or 2 with the relay assembly. 3. Remove the 2 screws, 4 with lock washer, 5 for cover. 6. Remove the 4 screws, 7 with the lock washer, 8 with the rear cover to 9 insulator. 10. Remove the 2 screws, 11 lock washer, 12. Remove the lower contact base. 13. Alright, disassembly continue. Remove the 4 arc boxes. 14. Remove the plunger. 15. Stationary contact assembly. 16. Remove the main spring. 17. 2 screws. 18. Plunger. 19. Plunger guide. 19. Plunger. 20. Spring. 21. Remove the 2 snap rings. 22 with the washer. 23. Spring. 24. Removable contacts. 25. Plunger. 20. Remove the 4 stationary contacts. 26. Remove the 4 screws. 27. Remove the stationary contact. 16 from the coil assembly. 28. Remove the insulation plate. 29 with the stationary contact assembly. 16. Remove the jam nut. 30. Lock washer. 31. Stop core. 32 with the coil assembly. 28. Move coil 33 with the install of the washer. 34 with the spring washer. 35 with the coil assembly. 28. Remove the 2 screws. 36 lock washer. 37 with the guide pins. 38. Cleaning, inspection, and repair. Warning, dry cleaning some of the PD6A with the taxable flammable. Wear protective goggle with the glove that use only with well in the air. Avoid contact with the eyes closed. Do not breathe vapors. Do not use near open flame with excessive heat with a flash point of 100 or 138 degrees. Recommend the DC fresh air medical immediately. If you contact with the eyes, made wash your eyes and get medical aid immediately. Compressed air. Use the cleaning purpose the next. Use the 30 piece side. Do not use the compressed air again for the skin. Use the goggle with full face shield. Do not attempt to clean movable contacts. 25 stationary contact. 26 still or alloy surface of the contact may become black and pitted or eroded. These conditions will not hamper the operation with a contactor. Use dry cleaning solvent on clean parts with the dry with the compressor. Inspect molded parts, warp, breakage, and crack with the replay with the damage. Inspect the 2 movable contacts. 25 with the 4 stationary contact. If the alloy material is worn through the base of the metal with the replaced contact. Inspect coil 33 with the damaged insulation. Replace the damaged coil. Use the multimeter measure for the resistance. 33 with the resistance 23.3 ohms plus or minus 10%. Replace the coil. Inspect with the damaged or loosened terminals. Repair with the replacing defective parts. Assembly. Install the 2 guide pins with 30 with the screw with the 2 lock washer 37 and screw with 36 with the install spring washer 35 install washer 34 with the coil 33 the coil assembly 28 with install the top guard 32 lock washer 31 jam 30 with the install the insulating plate 29 with the stationary contact assembly 20 16 install the stationary contact assembly 16 on the coil assembly 28 with the screw with the 4 screws 27 install the 4 stationary contacts 26 with the install the movable contacts 25 within the plunger 20 with the screw with the 2 springs 24 with the washer 23 snap ring 22 install the spring 21 with the plunger 20 with the screw with the plunger guide 19 with the 2 screws 18 install the main spring 17 on the plunger main contact assembly 15 install the 4 arc boxes 14 with the lower contact base 13 screw with the 2 lock washers 12 with the screws 11 install the insulator 10 with the rear cover to 9 with the screw with the 4 lock washers 8 and the screws 7 install the front cover 6 with the 2 lock washers 5 and the screws 4 installation install the relay assembly 3 with the screw with the 2 flat washers 2 with the 2 bolts 1 connect electrical wires relay and remove the tags. Test continued. Caution, to avoid excessive heating, do not energize the coil for more than 2 minutes at a time. Connect with the variable DC voltage supply 33 multimeter measure for the voltage. Check with the pickup of the voltage 36 volt DC, maximum drop of 3 to 16 volt DC with the voltage value with the not specified loosen the jam nut, adjust the core stop 32 with the coil up of the coil 28, tighten the jam nut. Ensure de-energize relay, check whether there is no hesitation during the pickup of the dropout, set the battery switch to open position, manually operate the interlocking contacts multimeter, check resistance over the contacts infinity while open and continuity while closed.